A locked Ford with a dead SecuriCode keypad can leave you stranded. But you can find your 5-digit factory master code in minutes without a scanner or a trip to the dealership. The secret is locating the Smart Junction Box, or BCM, where Ford physically prints the code on a factory sticker. We are going to bypass the dead keypad by retrieving this master code so you can reset the system or use the physical backup key to get inside. If your keypad is completely unresponsive and not lighting up, the issue is often a dead battery or a disconnected wiring harness inside the door panel. Before tearing the door apart, use your physical key hidden inside the key fob to manually unlock the door. Once inside, you can hunt down the factory master code. On most modern Ford models like the F-150, Explorer, or Escape, the body control module is located in the passenger side footwell. You will need to remove the plastic kick panel down by the passenger door sill. Just grab the edges and pull firmly to release the retaining clips, exposing the fuse box and wiring harnesses. Look closely at the fuse box module for a white or yellow sticker with a barcode. Printed clearly on that sticker will be a bold 5-digit number. That is your permanent factory security code. Even if a previous owner programmed a personal code, this master code will always unlock the doors and allow you to program a new keypad if you replace the broken one. For some slightly older models, this module might be located high up under the driver's side dash, near the brake pedal. Grab a flashlight, lay on the floorboard, and look up towards the firewall for the same barcode sticker. Once you have that 5-digit code, you have full access to your vehicle's security system.